All right, ladies and gentlemen, I present you the electric free ride group. Ta-da! All right, this is beautiful. Everyone showed up on time. Let's give a round of applause. You didn't expect that one, huh, Chris? Huh? I've been packed. Everybody? Yes, everybody. Once Mike puts on his zipper, we're good. This is fire. My group is bigger than yours. 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 Do 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 do. Chad? All right, let's go. He's talking about what he has, but he always sits on his behind. Oh, I don't want no love from you. We out here, boys. This is a nice group. I like it. I like how all my friends dress the same. If I wasn't wearing this gear, I'll be dressed like y'all.
Oh yeah.
I would never fall in love with one another lover. Not fall in love with a stranger. What or what? Come on, you go around that. Yep, cut it up. Watch out for these lights. Thanks for coming out.
Of course, man.
Lost throttle. Shit. I lost throttle.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm just trying to push these two in. You got like a flathead or something?
I'm in my truck.
Damn, you ain't got no tools on you, huh?
No.
Okay. No.
I would run back and go get it, but I don't know my way around here. So
No.
I'll get lost.
You're good. I just need to make these connectors are not tied in, and I should have done that. I forgot all about them. It should create like a spark once I turn it back on. Let me tighten that up once my gloves on.
That should make a spark?
Not a spark, but it like a fry sound.
Well, that's not good.
It's okay. That's common though. I promise.
All right. I ain't never done that. I'll tell you that.
Oh. Let's go. Gonna like veer left at the very last light. When I do this, we're gonna it's like a yield. Let's just go.
Got it. off on accident.
You like it?
Actually, I did get like cut off by that
Oh yeah, dude, they drive like assholes, but the thing is, that's what I like about these bikes, they're so nimble, you know? Like they're on Canal Street, so it's literally a straightaway. Very nice.
Just keep on saying it.
All the way, that's it.